Vanessa here, your health club coach. So this video is about my water distiller. I love this machine because it gets out a lot of the impurities that you'll get in tap water. So you're going to end up with better water than mineral water, which I was using for a long time, buying big 5-litre bottles of mineral water, and I got this distiller, so I'm saving on plastic bottles. But I guess it's not the cheapest thing to run electric wise, but you get a really good pure water. So it's distilled in this drum here, and then through the nozzle here there's a carbon filter, so it just really makes it much more pure and gets all of those impurities out. What I'm going to show you today is actually, I'm going to clean it and show you how to clean it each time. So it does 4 litres and then you have to clean it. I'm going to show you what is left in the bottom of the drum when you clean it, which isn't very pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to move this out of the way. I would say unplug the fan at the top because you'll end up loosening the wire, which I think has happened to mine. But anyway, so I hope you can see that it's quite sort of dirty. It smells like, dust doesn't smell, it smells very burnt sort of smell. So I'm going to use warm water to clean it with. So yeah, it is a little bit of a pain, especially when you've got 3 kids that want to drink about 4 litres of pure water a day and then complain when it's not in the fridge. But hey, so I'm just going to go with a non-stick scour. It has to be non-stick. It's a stainless steel drum, so you just don't want to damage it in any way. So what I'm doing now, and what you'll see when I've cleaned it, is the same every single time. I'll clean this as well. Go around the inside of that, all around the inside. And I guess about every 3 months or so, I will use a descaler and take this off and heat it up with the descaler in here, like a appliance descaler or a kettle descaler. Probably put a couple of sachets of that liquid in. In fact, I have some to hand, thinking about it. Looks just a little bit like this. So a lime, all-purpose descaler for lime scale. So that works well. A couple of sachets in here. So they're all around the outside. And then it just shows you really what is coming out of your water each time that you would be ingesting. And the carbon filter goes in the nozzle here, which is dead easy, just to slide it out. Just pull it out. And you can see that little carbon filter there, which just sort of slots in there. It's not especially fitted in very well, but it does the job, I'm pretty sure. Got that great side so the filter doesn't drop out. There we go. I often give it a couple of rinses and scrubs, but I'm just going to do one today for your purpose. The funny thing is, some days is much cleaner than others. I'm just going to pop that in a glass for now. Yummy. But as you can see, actually, it's starting to, those hard metals are actually starting to form in the jug. I don't know if you can see those bits. So that's already starting to settle. Not good. So I'm actually going to rinse the jug out a little bit before I fill the machine back up. And then you can see this lovely cloudy water and the settled bits at the bottom. While I'm just filling this up, so I'm just showing you how to fill it. One thing I did do with mine is I took out the guide from the actual collecting jug because it decided to not aim very well, the water, so I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So that's back on. Plug the fan back in. And yeah, so it's just a hole there. There was a little collecting sort of nozzle, but less spillages without it, trust me. And then just pop it back on. If the fan's going, it's all great. That'll take a couple of hours really to get you nice 4 litres in this jug. And this is what we've got here. So it's pretty awful really. And it's like sand, at the bottom there. So that's just in 4 litres, and I mean, imagine if you drink 4 litres every day, you're just having all those nasty things at the bottom. Yeah, it's not good. So this is called Make Water Pure. I've never used another one. I was recommended it by a friend and I've never looked back. It's been great. I've probably been doing it a couple of years now and not had any problems with it. So highly recommend it. Get these nasty bits out of your water. Alright, take care. Bye.